So I'm just going to dive right on in. As you can see, I've already started this cut. My client normally wears a super short pixie, and basically I'm just going in and reshaping it. She's been on vacation, so it's kind of grown out of its look. So I'm just going in and I'm reshaping it. So basically I'm using my thinning shears to create this look, and I love my thinning shears for cuts like these where I'm working with a client who has low density hair, because it allows me to remove as much hair as I want to and get as close to the scalp as I possibly can without leaving the client looking as if she's balding or has thinning areas. And so for this specific cut, it's real low maintenance. She's able to maintain this in between appointments because there is literally no length left on the sides and in the back to have to heat style or do anything to it. The hair just lays with proper maintenance. If she goes home and she ties it up at night and she uses the proper maintenance products, the hair is just going to lay flat to the scalp, and that's what we want to do. We want it to lay, and we want it to have a smooth, polished look. So again, I'm just going in with my thinning shears. I'm removing all of this hair from her nape area. And what's going to happen is those short sides are going to become my traveling guide as I go into her crown area and work my way up and towards her fringe. Now, as I'm going towards her fringe area, I'm going to slightly over direct the hair backwards so that I can leave some of the length in the front. And when I comb the hair down, what's going to happen is it's going to leave a nice, soft, feminine hairline. And so that's what we want. We want everything, even though I'm giving her a real short cut, I still want it to have a feminine look. Now, generally, I would section the hair before I start my cut. Sectioning is important, especially if you're struggling a little bit and just not really comfortable with hair cutting. Sectioning helps a whole heck of a lot, and that's generally the best way to do any haircut. I've done this cut so many times that I just know exactly where I want the precision to fall at, so I just kind of dived on into it. And even now, as you can see here, I'm just going in with a horizontal cutting again and over directing the hair as I'm going towards the fringe to create that softness that I was telling you about. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm just combing it down to make sure it's all blending. And now I'm just going to let you guys take a look at what I'm doing, and I'll be back. So I'll be finishing this cut up with a quick cross check, and what I like to do is just take vertical parting. Since I was doing a horizontal cut, I like to take vertical partings and just go through and make sure that each strand is evenly cut throughout the entire haircut. It's no rule that says you have to do a cross check, but I would suggest it. It's just what I like to do. I like the way the hair flows when my cut is blended. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through and it's just obeying and it's flowing. At this point, I can add product and send her out the door with no heat styling. However, if I choose to, it's the perfect foundation. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Any questions you may have, please feel free to leave them in the comments section and follow me on Instagram at TrueStylist. Happy cutting.